believed in love. Until today. Mark had given up on love. After years of heartbreak, he avoided relationships completely, believing nobody could ever care for him. One rainy evening, he saw a young woman struggling with her groceries. Without thinking, he ran to help her. They laughed, shared an umbrella, and walked together through the storm. Something inside him stirred, a feeling he hadn't felt in years. Before parting ways, she looked at him and said, "I think I've been waiting for someone like you." Mark froze. His heart raced. Could this really be real? For the first time, he felt love.